Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we are going to make no-bake chocolate eclairs. We need half a cup evaporated milk, half a cup condensed milk, 2 packs 250 ml all-purpose cream, 1/8 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 pack Broas, 150 grams dark chocolate chips, 8 pieces medium egg yolks, eclair container, separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Strain and gently mix the egg yolk. Add condensed milk, add evaporated milk, gently mix to incorporate the eggs and the milk. Add the vanilla extract and mix it well. In a bain-marie or double broiler, cook it until thick. Cooking time is depending on the flame of your stove. The heat is usually 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool to room temperature and cover with a cling wrap to avoid film formation. Remove the cover and mix the all-purpose cream with the mixer or wire whisk. Put the chilled custard on top of your broas. Chill it again while preparing your chocolate ganache. In a bain-marie or double broiler, melt the chocolate chips. Mix the melted chocolate chips and all-purpose cream until you have a very smooth consistency. Top your chocolate ganache to your no-bake eclairs. There you have it, no-bake eclairs.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.
If you want me to be your culinary trainer, please see the description below.